Losing weight can be a complex and challenging journey for many people. With so many diets and weight loss programs available, it can be overwhelming to find the one that suits you best. Thankfully, the Custom Keto Diet has emerged as a highly effective and personalized solution for weight loss. The Custom Keto Diet is specially designed to meet your unique needs and goals. It starts by assessing your current body composition, lifestyle, and food preferences to create a tailored plan just for you. This plan focuses on the ketogenic diet, a low-carb, high-fat approach that has been proven to facilitate weight loss. When you follow a custom keto diet, you consume a limited amount of carbohydrates and focus on incorporating healthy fats and proteins into your meals. This prompts your body to enter a state called ketosis, where it begins to burn stored fat for energy instead of relying on carbohydrates. As a result, you experience sustainable weight loss while still feeling satisfied and nourished. One of the key benefits of the Custom Keto Diet is its flexibility. It takes into account your food preferences and dietary restrictions, ensuring that you enjoy the meals you eat. Whether you are a vegetarian, have allergies, or require specific nutrients, the Custom Keto Diet can be customized to suit your needs. Additionally, the Custom Keto Diet provides a wide array of food options. From flavorful meats and seafood to delicious vegetables, nuts, and dairy products, there are countless possibilities to create healthy and satisfying meals. This variety not only prevents monotony but also ensures that you receive all the essential nutrients necessary for optimal health. The effectiveness of the Custom Keto Diet in weight loss is supported by scientific research and numerous success stories. By following a personalized plan designed specifically for you, you can achieve your weight loss goals in a sustainable and enjoyable manner. So why not embark on this exciting journey and discover the transformative power of the Custom Keto Diet for yourself?